Hey guys, these videos are going to be about the algorithm with Pocket Options trading platform, and I just wanted to relate it to this machine here. I don't know if you guys have ever played this, but this is an arcade machine. You stack the blocks, you try and get to the top, and if you do, you win the prizes. And depending on how the machine is set, um, the algorithm with the machine will it'll tell the machine when to allow that machine to give the prize, because you don't want people learning the game and then just winning, cleaning out the whole machine once they figure out how to do it, right? And this machine actually won, like, I think it's 3 different times over the past maybe 15 years. And the prizes were like, $300 prizes, like a PlayStation 3. I think I won an iPad and something else. But yeah, so the point is the machine's got an algorithm or a setting anyhow that will only allow you to win. So if we take that into trading, I was thinking kind of the same thing. That, once you see these candles going up, you think in your mind, oh, it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. But then it'll usually just reverse. So that in itself is a way, right? Is a algorithm, I mean. So I've been kind of playing around with that a little bit just since yesterday. So that's what this video is going to be about. And I'll probably make a playlist there over the next little while. Just putting all the videos in one area. And if you guys do have any advice or any suggestions, or maybe you've discovered something yourself, definitely, um, share it for sure. Then we can all benefit from it. So yeah, I'll just throw in some tunes. Yeah, so yesterday it didn't always work. Like, I mean, it does have to have its own setups. I found out it usually work like, you have a big candle like this, and then you have one like this where it kind of thinks or kind of lets the person's emotions get in, and then you take the reversal, which would have been right here. And then after that, it kind of has to just go sideways for a while, and then it kind of does the same thing again. But you can see in this case it just continued. So it's something to experiment with. So yeah, I'll just do like 10 or 15 minutes of this. See, like, it's saying it's going down, but it might even break down through here. Yeah, see, that was set on 6 seconds. And then maybe you could wait for a breakout and then take the breakout. But yeah, you can see it just consolidates after a big obvious move like this, because most people think, oh, it's just gonna keep on going. Okay, so now there's the move down, and then maybe we would go for a reversal. Looks like this one's gonna continue on. Okay, so like right when I said that it's gonna continue on because it looked like it's gonna continue, that's when it reversed. So it's funny how it's like right when you think it, then it reverses. And I mean, I'm saying that from the perspective of just how the last couple candles look, which is what I think most beginner traders think about, and myself including. So right now, oh, it looks like it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. And then right there it reverses, right? You got like a few 5 green candles, the structure's pointing up, and then reversal. So I don't know if, like, subconsciously they design, or yeah, our eyes take in the last structure. So it's kind of like we use the past information to predict the next little bit of information, which is how they designed the algorithm. I don't know, it's just an interesting thing to think about, and it kind of works. I had some really good um, trade sessions yesterday, just playing around with it, just having fun. Yeah, so we got returned money there. But you kind of have to like read your own thoughts. Like you wait for a thought to come to your mind, like, okay, now it looks like it's going down. Then you do the opposite. So right here, you're kind of thinking it's reversing maybe. So then I went in for a continuation, and then it worked there. Well, it looks like it's reversing. Okay, so I was a little bit early there. So if I would have gotten right here, it would have been a full green candle. And then we would have been correct, but that one we failed on. So yeah, of course timing is important for sure. Okay, so same thing here, a couple green candles. Oh, is it reversing now? Hmm. So kind of reversed after a large candle move. So that could be part of your strategy, is waiting for, something a little bit more prominent. I got in like somewhere over here on the reversal, which didn't work out. So yesterday what I was doing is I was just going through the charts, just cycling really quickly like this. And just waiting for something to stand out in my mind. Okay, so that one broke through. Oh, that one continued. I just think it's so funny how like we try and be the best traders, but in the end it's just like a game of probabilities, right? Well, there's a few trades we tried it on, the $10 trades here. It's about 12 trades. So it hasn't been working so far, which is kind of funny. We'll try a new session here, change the amount to 20. So that was a big candle, a little bit of hesitation, and then a reversal that worked out. Yeah, it was last night at like 11 p.m. It was working out good, or 10 or so. Now it's the next day in the morning and doesn't seem to work as good. I don't know if it's because I got like my morning brain on where it's like actually working correctly. Okay, so I actually thought it was gonna go up there, so I went in for a buy and it reversed. So that was a good example. It's one of those things where it's like, yeah, you have to wait for the thought to come. Oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna go up, and then click the sell button for the opposite. But if the thought doesn't come to mind, then, you know, okay, it's going up, so I'll do the reversal here. Okay, it worked there. So the tricky part is figuring out like the difference between when, you know, an opposite move, what it looks like it's gonna do, and what it's actually gonna do. So trying to figure that out. And then the whole timing thing comes into play too, right? Because you know, you might be right, but you might be just half a second off. So that was an obvious sign that it looked like it was gonna go down, so I just did the reverse. Let's go back to that one. Sometimes I use this. I've been studying this for a little while, the Stosh indicator. Stochastic. Seems to be helping. Like this, what this looks like right here, that tells you that it's gonna go in that direction. So it's been helpful. Recommend it. Yeah, so right there it flashed a full red candle and then it did a hard reversal. So yeah, it's just really funny how that works. Maybe it'll do it here too. See here, it didn't do it. It just continued going in the direction. So, interesting. Hmm. Kind of playing kind of tight right now because I'm recording. But if you go and you freestyle it, you just kind of just do it at your own pace. It seems to work a lot better, honestly. Okay, so it worked there. Bought on a full red candle just after the full red candle. Okay, I wanted to buy down here, but it's a little bit late. Yeah, it worked there. Yeah, I don't know if you'd had those days where it just seems to always do the opposite you click on. So that time is a good time to try the strategy out on the opposite strategy. Okay, timer's up, guys. So, yeah, when I got this strategy down pat a little bit more, or when I learned some more, I will post another video. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, everybody. Bless. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see some more videos. But most of all, just drop a comment and let me know how you're, where you're at in your trading, and maybe we can connect and share some videos and kick some butt. All right, peace, everybody.